Hi guys, today we want to erase the background fast of this image. With your image layer selected, unlock it, go to your eraser tool and you will find background erase tool inside. Then from there, pick follow my mouse and select discontinuous in case yours is not on discontinuous, and set your tolerance to 50 and just brush over your image nicely like that. As you can see, our background is moving like a magic. Yeah, so let me set a solid color adjustment layer to show you. You can see, just let me change the colors to any color I want. Yes, you can see. So you can see your background has been removed successfully. Yes, so please share and follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Black Sense.